Converting any video to anime-style animation involves using AI-powered tools and techniques that can analyze and transform video content into anime-like visuals. One popular approach is to use deep learning-based algorithms trained on vast datasets of anime artwork to generate stylized animations. Here's a guide on how to convert a video to anime using Guy. Choose an AI-powered tool. Several AI-powered tools specialize in converting videos into anime-style animations. Some popular options include DeepArt.io, Deep Dream Generator, and Waifu2x. Research and choose a tool that best fits your requirements in terms of features, output quality, and ease of use. Upload or input your video. Once you've selected a tool, upload or input the video file you want to convert to anime. Most AI-powered tools have a user-friendly interface that allows you to easily upload videos from your computer or provide a URL to online videos. Select anime style. Depending on the tool you're using, you may have the option to choose from different anime styles or presets. These styles can range from traditional manga-style artwork to more modern and colorful anime aesthetics. Select the style that best suits your preferences and the overall look you want to achieve. Adjust settings optional. Some tools offer advanced settings that allow you to adjust parameters such as color saturation, line thickness, and image resolution. Experiment with these settings to fine-tune the output according to your preferences. Start conversion process. Once you've uploaded your video and selected the desired anime style and settings, initiate the conversion process. The AI algorithm will analyze each frame of the video and apply the chosen anime style transformation to generate the animated output. Review and download. After the conversion process is complete, review the generated anime style animation to ensure it meets your expectations. Preview the video to check for any artifacts or inconsistencies that may need adjustment. Once you are satisfied with the result, download the converted video in your desired format. Post-processing optional, depending on your preferences and the specific requirements of your project. You may choose to perform additional post-processing on the converted video. This could include adding effects, overlays, or subtitles to enhance the visual appeal and storytelling aspects of the animation. Share and enjoy. Once your anime-style animation is ready, share it with your audience or use it for personal enjoyment. Consider sharing it on social media platforms, video sharing websites, or incorporating it into creative projects such as presentations or video montages. Keep in mind that the quality and fidelity of the anime style conversion may vary depending on factors such as the complexity of the original video, the chosen anime style, and the capabilities of the AI-powered tool you're using. Experiment with different tools and settings to find the combination